Yes. So before we start before we start creating a online campaign, so there are a few things to consider. So first of all, we should think about what is our objective to create this campaign. Like it can be to increase sales, or whether your objective is to create awareness about your business, or like get more followers for your social media pages, or increase traffic to your website, and or get more leads, or any type of a objective. So our objective එකත් එක්ක sales වැඩි කරගන්නද, awareness එකක් create කරගන්නද, social media pages වලට, එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔගේ website එකට traffic එක වැඩි කරගන්නද, ඒ වගේ මොකක්ද objective එක කියලා මුලින් බලන්න. So the second option, we need to identify what is the target audience. So this is you have to think about with your product. So for an example, I'll take kids clothing. So when we are thinking about a target audience for kids clothing, we have to target their parents actually. So let's say we are targeting kids until 19, so we can target the parents of these kids. So and the another option is friends and families of people who have kids. So that is the second thing we have to check. And so as third option, we can check how much budget we can allocate for a campaign. So let's say we are running this campaign for a week, or for a special time of the year. Let's say it's December, end of week. So if we are running to run this campaign for a week, we can think how much budget we can spend for this campaign. According to that, we can plan our campaign. So mainly here we are talking about the Facebook campaign using the Ad Manager platform. And the other thing, as a last thing, we can check what type of ad type we are going with, whether it's single image ad, whether it's a carousel ad, whether it's a video ad. So we can think about the creative part also. So let's I will share my screen and show the basic things we should know. Marsha, I hope my screen is visible. Okay. Okay. This is the Ad Manager platform. So let's. There are three main. In this process, there are three main areas we have to fill. The first one is the campaign and the ad sets. From ad sets, we can set up our target audience, and from the ads level, we can create the creative side of the ad. So let's start with the campaigns. So let's say I'm taking the kids' clothing example again. I want to get more traffic to my website. I'll go with the traffic objective here. Then I can give any campaign name. So this is the campaign, first campaign options. So we can start with adding the campaign level budget, or there is another option, we can add the budget from the ad set level as well. So we can decide whether we want to run daily budget or the lifetime budget. So daily budget we have to assign a daily budget. So if you are selecting lifetime budget, it will run the time period we select here. Okay, so let's select daily budget and go to the next level. So this is the ad set level. Here we can select all the settings, like we can select the target audience of our campaign. So I need to drive traffic to my website. Website එකට තමයි traffic lead කරන්න ඕන මට. Then with a start date, so we can put an end date if we want. Let's say I'm going to run this campaign for a week. මම week එක දාලා I can allocate the time at what time I want to finish. So let's say we are running a campaign until 6 p.m. At the store. So we can put a end time for our campaign also. This kind of important part. So this is where we can select our audience. We can create new audience as well. So we can go to this option. Let's say I want to add the people who have visited my website already. So I can select this, or like people who have visited a specific web page. Uh, Here I can give up to like 180 days. Let's say I want to target last 3 months of data. Okay, I took our home page URL, and that audience is done. So again, let's say I want to target the people who have visited our Facebook page. So I can again go to create custom page, um, Facebook page option. We have to select the specific page. I want to select everyone who have visited my Facebook page so far. And here we can select until up to 365 days. I will select 90 days from this. Okay, my target audience is done now. And if I want to exclude any type of a audience, I can do that as well. So, okay, then the main thing is we have to select the location. Either I can select Sri Lanka, let's say we want to target somewhere else, if it is another country, or a very specific place, let's say Colombo, Sri Lanka. Okay, I'll add it as Colombo, Western Province city only. And there are a few options. We can select people who are living in this location, or like currently in this location, any type of thing. So I will select the people living in this location at the moment. And also we can select the age. I will go with 25 to 65 plus, since it's kids clothing and I want to target mainly the parents. Gender, I will put it as all. And here also there is a very important part when it comes to the detailed targeting. So here we can target the demographic interest and the behavioral level of our target audience. So according to that, either we can select it from here, or we can search it and see what type of audience we can find out here. So when I search parents, so it shows parents with teenagers, parents with adult children 20 to 18 to 26. So 18 to 26 is I don't want to target that audience at the for the kids clothing one, but I want to target teenagers. So I can select this, and early school ages, toddlers. I can add like this. So these are some demographics related to the detailed targeting options. There's some interesting parts. So let's say we want to see what is the best detailed targeting option for our brand. What we can do is from here we can create more assets in one campaign. So we can put one very specific demographic targeting or interest targeting related to this, or and then create another asset adding these parents with preschoolers, parents with teenagers. One by one we can add different type of assets, and then the performance after we run the campaign we can see the performance of each of these assets and identify which one is the best for our brand or the product. So here, if you want to change the language according to your business or the product, we can do that. So we can go ahead with the normal placements since it's clothing brand. Going with the landing page views since I want to go ahead with the traffic objective. Then I came to the last option. This is the ad level. I can put any name. Words. From here I can see the ad preview. So we have to select the correct Facebook page and the Instagram page from the ad level. That is the very important thing. So here mainly we can select single image ad, carousel ads, and the video ads. So I would like to go ahead with the single image ad. Adjust your artworks according to the platforms here. And then we can add the text. It's the primary text appears on before the ad. It will show here. You can see that. I will show the preview of the ad. So this is primary text will appear, and uh, and the heading will appear like this: the visit web store. We can add any text we want, and the description will appear on the headline. So the text description one is here. You can see the desktop preview as well. So there's a that. And yeah, we can give a call to action button according to our objective. So if it is like again, I mentioned earlier, if you want to contact more people, we can give something like contact us, or it's like if you're selling some products like order now or see menu, something like that. So I will go ahead with shop now button since I put my home page as the landing page and then I want to get more traffic to the web store. And this is also very important part, website URL. This is the landing page of the website. Okay. Yes, that's it. That's the main things we have to consider when we are creating a campaign. Then from here we can publish our campaign. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes to appear the ad on your platform. Just They will review your campaign, like it will take up to like maximum 24 hours. It will review your campaign and it will go live after that. So it will take a minute or two to review the campaign here. Yeah, that's it.